What's going on, guys? I'm trying to finish here, my work. I'm gonna deploy this staging website here. So we're gonna go ahead and do a full deploy. Confirm. Let me show you what I'm talking about here. So we're gonna have to redeploy. There's a couple of updates here that are pending. Alright, so let's take a look here. Go ahead and up these plugins. It's always really important for you to keep your plugins updated. If you don't, you can get hacked. And when I first started learning about websites, I used to talk about WordPress websites being really vulnerable to getting hacked, and they are, especially if you don't keep your plugins updated. So it's really important, though, when you update your plugins, that you do it on your staging website, because if you don't do it on the staging website, what ends up happening is, sometimes things that were working stop working, and it's important for you to not impact your users. So you always want to have that running copy going. So we're updating here these plugins. So on the Lost and Found Pets website, we are using Astra. It's a paid theme. It's really fast. We do have it on shared hosting though with SiteGround, so that does impact the speed a little bit. We're eventually going to be migrating it out, but yeah. Anyway, so we got this updated. Let's go ahead and redeploy. So the last deploy was a couple minutes ago. Full deploy. Oh, actually, step back. Let's go ahead and check out the staging website. Make sure it's working. You always got to test before you deploy. Kind of defeats the purpose if you don't. Sorry, guys. All right. So long day. Anyway, so let's go ahead and open up a new incognito window. It says. Just let me know how you guys are doing in the comments below. Oh no. Alright, so everything looks pretty good. There's a couple things here on this website that aren't functional yet. As you can tell here, I don't even have a favicon set up. But it serves its purpose. Just trying to have something for people to be able to get help if they lose or find a pet in El Paso. Yeah. So it looks pretty good. Everything seems to be working. Let's check on mole. Looks good. Interesting. All right. Well, that looks good. I'll have to get back to that one. All right. Just type a little note there. Okay, so let's go ahead and deploy. Everything looked good. I should turn my music down a bit here so you guys can hear me. All right. Full deploy. All right, let's do this. So let's go ahead and take this off the list. Still on the list. I'm gonna work on this in a bit. Let's do today. All right. So what we're gonna be doing, guys, is a local Viking video. I was just finishing up some work before I get started here. So let's close this window. See what's going on here on the stream. Everything looks good. We don't have any people viewing yet, but if you guys have any questions or anything, leave them in the comments below. So let's go ahead and get this going here. So I'm gonna do the intro first. I'm gonna edit this later, guys. So turn my music down a bit. What is going on, guys? So if you're a business owner and you're looking to get more customers, you're probably wondering, how can I get more calls? How can I make my phone ring more? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Local Viking, a tool that I'm using to rank multiple websites, helping them get more calls, helping them generate more revenue, and do what they need to do. So the tool that I use, and I would recommend for you to use as well, is Local Viking. So Local Viking is it's an awesome tool that allows you to do so many things. I barely started to get an understanding of the power of Local Viking, and but it's really awesome. So if you guys want to see some of the things that I've been able to do with the Local Viking, so let me go ahead and show you guys how we've been doing on this one property. So with Local Viking, you can actually run reports on your Google My Business. So you can get detailed reports of how you're ranking in certain areas in your city. So for example, let me show you some of my reports here. So this is one of the campaigns that we've been running. So we're trying to get more people to hit us up for water softener repair. Now this is what we're going after here, or best nail salon, or many different campaigns that we have going, trying to rank on that Google My Business when people search for it, so we could come up first. Excuse me. All right, so what you see here is a grid of El Paso. This is where we're trying to target, and this is how we're coming up when people search for water softener repair, right? So this is something that we're after, and we're gonna keep on trying to optimize for. So in this example, I'm gonna show you how it is that we're gonna optimize and rank higher in a 3-mile radius from our business location address, right? So let's go ahead and do this here. All right. So if you want to see how you're ranking in certain areas, right? You want to see what the map pack. Sorry, I can't talk. It looks like this is where we're at right here. So if you're at our doorstep at our business location and search for our business, we would come up like this. These guys would be number 1. So we definitely want to get to the number 1 spot. So that's what we're going to be doing. We're trying to do today. And you see other people ranking: Aqua Crystal, LLC, Purity Bay, other companies that get listed when somebody searches for water softener repair, right? So they'll either click on number 1 or number 2 or number 3, and number 4 maybe if no one else answers or you can't get the help that you need. So we're going to target where we're at, right? So we're going to get the GPS latitude and longitude. Copy that. Go ahead and delete this note. All right, paste that there. So you might be wondering why I'm getting the latitude and longitude. Well, what you can do with this API, this plugin, I'm not plugin, this application, website, software as a service, Local Viking, is you can actually target your posts, your images. So we're going to be doing that. So it has more relevance when somebody searches with that latitude and longitude. So it's pretty easy to do. Anybody can do it. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to locations, click on your business, you're going to click on posts, you're going to add a post, you're going to add a button. So we're going to do book, right? That's what we want to do. Alright, so let's go ahead and put our content. Alright, so get our content. Alright, so we're going to be using this pretty cool tool that we have called Local Viking to create this awesome post. I mean, Local Viking Conversion AI. It's another tool that I'm going to be using here, guys, to optimize that Local Viking post. So, or rather, the Google My Business post. So let me go ahead and show you guys what I'm talking about here. Sorry. So we have here some content that we've already written out, and this is related to the picture that we're going to be uploading to this post. So let's go ahead and generate it. So with this tool that we're using, Conversion AI, you actually need to have some content. So you have to have something written to be able to generate better content. So let's check out some options here. Sorry guys, I'm just gonna read these, see which ones are the best ones. Well, I think we got a winner. This tool is pretty super duper amazing. So let's go ahead and go to our posts, paste it in there. Let's go just do some fine tuning. So we have lots of people calling us. tool's pretty ridiculous. It even does hashtags for you. If you guys don't know about it, Conversion AI. It's redonkulous. It's what we use to create content. Man, I used to spend hours and hours writing. Now Conversion AI, I can get stuff done super quick, and it's way better than I can write, for sure. So, check it out, guys. Let's do the last hashtag here. Still got Garcia Wadak here. I don't know about this. Last one's kind of whack. I think that's good. We got them. We got those three. It's gonna be good for us. So this tool is really cool because it lets you insert this little tag in the bottom. I'm gonna clean that up a little bit. So you can insert this little link so people can click onto the next post, and it's just, you want to keep them on your page, on your Google My Business page, bouncing from post to post, because that shows Google that there's value in the content that you're creating. So this is really cool that you can do that with this. You can do it manually as well, but it takes time to pull up the post, get the link. This is way better. So definitely recommend this tool. Can't say that enough. So let's go ahead and select the image. So when you select an image, you want to select an image that you preferably took with your phone. This will automatically embed the GPS coordinates of where the picture was taken. So sometimes you want to change that though. So sometimes you want to target a certain area, and that's what we're going to be doing here, because that has an impact. So that's what we'll be doing, and you guys will see future videos how that impacts our results. Again, at our business location, we're ranked number 2, so we're trying to get to that number 1 spot for an important keyword. All right, anyway, so let's get to it. So for here, we want to rank for water softener repair in El Paso. If your water softener stops working, contact us to get help. We can fix any brand water softener. All right. Keywords. So keywords, you guys guessed it. So one thing I recommend for you guys to use is get a Mac and use a voice to text. This is what I use to text most of the time. Sometimes I'm still in the habit of getting into typing, but voice to text is better. Water softener repair. Okay. Water softeners. Okay. So now we're going to get the latitude and longitude that we copied. And post that. Okay, so we've gone ahead and edited this, and let's go ahead and upload it. Here we have the picture. Let's go ahead and change that to learn more. So this traffic we're trying to send to the website. So Local Viking lets you schedule your posts as well. So if you're doing this for people or businesses, this is really cool because you could schedule them out and get some nice ranking movements. Right, so there we go. So we went ahead and submitted this post, and in a little bit it should be available. Let's go ahead and take a look and see if it's already available on. Not available. Let's see here. Excuse me, guys. Sorry. There we have it. Sorry, dudes. Clicked on the wrong thing. Oh, but. That's weird. There it is. Okay. Cool. So there's our post. There's that link that we put on here. So when people click on it, it takes them to the next post, and it's really nice way to keep them bouncing on your page, and you can do it with this tool. So highly recommend it. This is again Local Viking. If you like this video, if you see value in it, if you want some help doing this, it could definitely help you out. Just shoot us a message, leave a comment. You can reach us. So yeah, so let me show you let me show you the results here that we've been able to produce. So right here, water softener. Some of the searches that I've done, some of the campaigns that I've been working on. As you can tell, there's a lot of green up in here. Trying to get to water softener repair. Installation. There we go. So you can tell right here, back on September 13th, we started this campaign here trying to get some more traffic for water softener repair. And you can see slowly how that's been kind of changing, as the algorithm changes, the results change. That's what you're seeing here. But all throughout these months, we've been doing creating posts and creating content to try to get more relevance and more visibility from the Google My Business. And you can tell here the type of results that we've been able to achieve. So that's how you optimize a Google My Business post. And if you guys see value in it, give it a like, give this video a like, give it a share. Tell people about it, and don't forget to follow our page. We're going to show you how to rank a website. 915 Web Design. Peace out, guys. Thanks for watching.